Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today I am going to do a video on the new Makeup by Mario items that I got in my Sephora haul. I'm so excited to try out these products. I have 3 products today to share with you guys that I did mention in my haul, so I cannot wait to try these out and see how they perform on the eyes. I've heard really good things about it. I did ask on my Instagram today what you guys wanted to see on my channel because I'm kind of running out of ideas. I love the holiday sort of ideas. I don't really do red lips on myself, so I don't really know how much I can do with that. But if you guys do want to see like a holiday makeup look, give me some ideas down in the comment section down below. I will have all of the items mentioned in this video linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. I will say Rakuten, which is like eBay, it's turned into Rakuten, or they bought it, or they changed the name, I don't know. They are doing like a really great referral deal right now. Like if you sign up, you get $40. So I'm gonna put the link down below for that, because if you're interested in getting any of these products, definitely get Rakuten, use cashback, and you get that $40 sign-on bonus. So I don't know how long that'll last, but I'm putting that link down there, so please do that. As always, if you guys like this video, if you like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. I love you guys so much. I have been getting comments about cooking videos. If you guys do want to see any cooking videos or baking videos or anything like that, let me know, and let me know if you like them on YouTube or Instagram. So I'm gonna try to push out some more content. I hope you guys like my tree. And yes, I am one of those people who don't really care if I put up my tree before or after Thanksgiving. I'm kind of like one of those people, like if I have the time to put it up, I'm gonna put it up. And I feel like this year has been absolutely insane, to say the least. So if I want to celebrate Christmas a little bit longer, then why not? You know what I mean? Why not extend it a little bit? And if you're one of those people who's like, no Christmas tree before Thanksgiving, I'm sorry, but I had to put it up, you know? Okay, anyways, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First, I'm gonna be using this Master Eye Prep and Set in the shade Medium. It comes with the shades P3 and P4, Primer 3, Primer 4, and then the S2, which is setting. So I don't really know what the numbers are for. I don't really know why the numbers are like 3, 4, 2. I don't really know, but you know, it is what it is. What I'm going to do, take a brush. Let me find a good brush here. So I'm going to take P3, which is the lighter shade of the two, and I'm just going to get a brush that it's kind of dual-ended like this. I like to use these for wet or cream products, and I'm just going to take that on the eyelid and blend it up, and you'll be able to see before and after with my other lid. If you have a stiffer brush, that's probably better. This one's probably a little bit too blendy. You don't have as much control with this type of brush. I still didn't do any research to see what the darker shade is for. Maybe it's for the crease or something, I don't know, but you know. Okay, yeah. Looks good. As you can see, it definitely covered up my veins and stuff like that, and darkness on my eye. Brightened it up a little bit. Looks good. I'm just gonna take the darker shade and put that in my crease a little bit, just to give it some definition, some distinction, sharpen the crease. And then I'm just gonna take like a blender brush, just whatever you have. I am using the JH34. Pretty much all of mine are the same. I do these for like an all over lid color, and then I do like M433 for like whenever I'm doing a transition shade. So I love the difference, pretty. Okay, and I hope it's cool that I'm zoomed in right now. I just wanted you guys to see as close as you could kind of what I'm doing here. But you can see this powder doesn't have a lot of fallout actually, which is nice. I like that. That's a good sign already. There's a little bit, of course. I mean, that's just normal, but there's not that much, which I like because I don't like the mess. Using circular motions. My eyelids are super dry right now, so that is the difference between the Prep and Set and not. So I'm excited. It feels like a nice clean base for me to get started with the eyeshadows. So it's inevitable, the next thing I'm gonna be using is the Master Matte eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's a really nice array of neutral shades, which I absolutely love because I pretty much only wear neutral eyeshadow, neutral makeup. I'm just kind of natural like that. So I'm really excited to dig into this. The one that's calling my name for transition is going to be this one right here. So I'm just gonna go in with that one first on a blender brush. Use whatever you have. Fallout is decent. It's not a crazy amount of fallout or anything like that. Let's go in. Let's do it, shall we? Ooh, yeah, it's nice. All right, let's try the other eyelid. Does anybody feel like they have an eyelid that just is better? I feel like I like doing my left eye better, probably because I'm left-handed. It just doesn't feel as comfortable doing my right eye. It's so weird. Seems to blend very seamlessly, looks really nice. It's a nice transition. You can kind of see the fallout on this shade right here, like what it looks like. It's really not bad. I'm going to mix these two together right here. I think it's matte 7 and 8. He is very down to business with the names of the shades. I don't mind that, you know, he's an artist. We're gonna mix these two together. Very nice pigmentation, as you can see on the brush. A little bit more fallout on the deeper shades, so I've noticed. And we're just going to pack that on the outer and bring it in like I would with any shade. I feel like I need smaller brushes, like my eyes are not that big. Ooh, that is what it looks like. Wow, it looks so good. Like, I'm blown away. It looks so nice, very seamless. I love it, absolutely love it. Now we're gonna dip back in there, do the other side, and then I'll probably deepen it a little bit more. But it looks really good. So I'm so shocked at how quickly I can achieve so much depth in an eye look so quickly, because this palette is awesome. This palette is so good. I'm very impressed by it already. I'm going to use this chocolatey burnt orange sort of shade, and we're just going to use that on just like a pencil brush, whatever you have, like one that's pretty blendable. And I'm just going to pack that color on, which I do notice the darker the color gets, the more fallout it seems like. You can kind of tell right there. So it is what it is, you know. But I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corner of my eye and bring it in to create the smoky effect, because I don't know about you guys, but I still like a good smoky eye. Create the V, the outer V. I'm gonna dip into that powder that fell out a little bit because I don't like to waste anything. We're just gonna get a little bit more on the outer V. Make sure it's super defined. And then I'm gonna go back in with the blender brush and just kind of blend that in there. Make sure everything is blended nicely. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Looks really good. And then I'm gonna go in and do the other eye. Okay, so the eyes are almost done. I just gotta go do my eye mascara. But before I do that, I'm going to show you this last by Mario product, and this is the Master Matte's Brightening Pencil Light One. So this is what it looks like right there. Just like a basic eye pencil. I'm going to show you what it looks like when I apply it to my waterline. I really like this sort of thing because it really opens up your eye and makes you look more awake. Sometimes I find, here's a little trick, I will always like wipe off the tip of the product like on a paper towel just to get it like activated, or just to get that layer off, and it kind of helps it adhere to the eye a little bit better. But I'll also get like a Q-tip and I'll kind of wipe the inside of my eye just so it can, you know, take away any like eye liquid. Then it just will adhere to the waterline a lot better. You can see my left eye versus my right eye, just kind of it opens it up a little bit. I feel like you can tell a lot more like whenever I have my mascara on, kind of the difference, because I feel like the mascara kind of weighs down a little bit. Is that weird? Eyes are pretty watery. Watery is the word I'm looking for. So my makeup is almost done. I'm gonna go finish my face and do my lashes, and then I'll come back to share with you guys the finished look and my full review for the By Mario makeup collection. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, getting to see the new products by the By Mario makeup collection. I know I didn't have everything in the line, but this is what I really wanted and what I got, and I'm really impressed with it. My final review is a probably like a 9 out of 10. Like, I'm really impressed. I think he did a really good job. Especially, like, I love this little prep and set sort of palette. And then we have the mattes. I really like this as well. This is gonna be great for travel. I've really been into matte eyeshadow lately. Regardless of this, I've just been pretty much sticking to matte. Been doing less shimmer, less highlighter and things like that. And yeah, I really like this eye pencil as well. I don't really see it standing out to me like compared to other eye pencils I've tried, but I think I'll have to see how long it lasts on my waterline, and if it lasts like a really long time, then I'll be really impressed. And if not, then I'm just gonna be like, you could probably pass on that one. So, but yeah, overall, I really liked the line. I'll have everything linked down below. As always, let me know what you guys want to see next below down in the comments. I am planning on doing like a Sephora haul first impressions because I have my second order coming in on, when is it, Thursday? So if you guys want to see a haul or first impressions or both, just let me know down below and I'll get that up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.